Hello, I'm Lowri Morgan, and today I'm exploring how archives collect their material, where it comes from and what kind of stuff they have here. Rhian Diggins, Senior Archivist here at Glamorgan Archives. This is where many stories starts for some of these donations and deposits.
Yes, this is where documents come when they first come into the archives, when they first arrive with us.
So what's the story behind this book?
Well, this is one of the most exciting things we've had recently. It's a logbook from Grangetown School, so just down the road from the archives. And it's basically a diary that the head teacher kept every day, noting what was happening in the school. So
and I can see it's been fantastic. At the school since 1893. Yes. Now, would this be a deposit or a donation? What's the difference?
This would be a deposit from the school, so they're giving it to us on permanent loan, but it remains the property of the school. But people as well, many people come and they donate things to us, so they come into the ownership of the archives.
So you can donate anything?
Yes, anything at all, anything that people think might have historical significance, they can come and have a chat to us about it.
Right, okay, so I'm really excited about seeing what's inside this book.
We get to about 100 years ago. We're in 1918 here now. So something that would have been written by the teacher 100 years ago. And here we are, Monday 11th of November 1918, news of the signing of the armistice received.
Wow.
Yeah.
Gosh, it sends shivers down your spine, doesn't it, when you see things like this?
Yes, yeah.
And I think it's so important. What will happen to this book now? This is history. I've said it before, but it's so important, isn't it?
It is. And now this has arrived at the archives. What we will do with it now is we'll catalogue it. Information will go up on our online catalogue so that people can go on our website and find out that we have it. It'll be repackaged, put in a nice grey box made of acid-free cardboard so that it lasts into the future. And then we'll place it in one of our strong rooms, and anyone can then come in through the front door and ask to see it if they want to.
So, can I get to see what the next step in this book's life will be?
Of course, please? We'll go and have a look in the strong rooms.
Thank you, Rhian. Thank you.
No problem.